the ground watching the impact to your commute. But we start with First Warning meteorologist Sandra Shaw.
See Caleb's camera is blowing around because the wind gusts are still, get this, a 52-mile-an-hour wind gust. This just recorded in Jupiter. We have a 30-mile-an-hour wind gust in Vero Beach, 33 in Indiantown at West Palm, 52-mile-an-hour wind gust out there at the airport. That says it all. High wind warnings along the coastline because wind strength is going to be higher than tropical storm force. That high wind warning highlighted along the coastline all the way from Vero Beach down into Boca Raton by this purple here. Elsewhere, there's a wind advisory, but the wind warning really on the coast, it's going to be the highest. Treacherous, blustery. Consider it in the aftermath of what would be sort of a mini tropical storm or hurricane because there's so much debris laden on the road. I rode over something in my driveway this morning, so it is really dicey on the roads this morning. Early heads up. Jasmine with more coming up. All the rain is going to eventually move out today, but there's another wave that's going to bubble up from the south, and we'll still get some downpours. Vanessa with that in a little bit. We just had a flood advisory expire, but 8.6 to 10 inches of rain where you see the purple all the way from Homestead into Fort Lauderdale. Here we split the difference. Steady rain all day with a couple of inches, 2 to 4 around our area. But the big issue this morning is the wind, and also if you have coastal interest, the wave heights already 10 feet and a little higher out in the Gulf Stream. Treacherous going. Vanessa, you have more for us.
Yes, and Sandra, things are looking much better though when it comes to rain wise right now from Sebastian all the way down towards Boca Raton. We still have that flood watch until this evening, so we could see more rain as we head into the afternoon hours, but things are drier compared to overnight. We have some light to moderate showers still impacting Broward County, Miami-Dade County. If you're driving down south, they're under that flood advisory until mid-morning. Now, impact weather at least until 4 and 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but first warning weather day until 1 o'clock in the afternoon due to those high winds that we could see, those wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, especially near coastal areas. Rain-wise, we'll see less rain coverage as we head into the afternoon hours, and a first warning weather day until 1. Temperatures will be in the 70s, high rain chances until 1, and then rain will be decreasing by 4 and 5 o'clock this evening. Sandra Shaw will have more and your full forecast coming up, but let's continue our live team coverage with Yasmin checking on the roads.